So every year in Angers is organized the plant sciences summer schools. Around 10-15 students from foreign countries are coming here in Angers for courses on plant sciences. And today we are welcoming them here in the plant campus to present this new summer school.
And I'm here in Angers to learning about new technologies to protect the plants, because I'm a biologist of molecular biology, and I'm really interested in the plants.
This summer school illustrates our will to share our research activity in this field with foreign colleagues. The program of this summer school covers different research areas of plant and seed pathology and physiology. And during these 2 weeks, you will meet scientists from different institutions. So I really hope you will enjoy your stay here, and when you will be back in your country, you could say that Angers is a nice place.